only for you. Only for you. 抑えられないこの熱い想いは only for you. Only for you. 抑えられないこの熱い恋は only for you.
Hello, guys. Welcome again to the live stream. Today, we're going to talk, of course, about Bitcoin and also some altcoins as request. Okay, so let me show you here. We have right now Bitcoin in 4-hour chart. Yesterday, I said we have a better divergence. Remember, yesterday I said this right here. Okay, well, never mind. Yeah, here I said careful here because Bitcoin is forming a better divergence. And the projection should be, well, you have this one, this, and the projection is to the downside, right? So the target always is going to be the MA55, well, as usual. And now what happened? Well, after 24 hours, we are there. Now, what is next? Well, I think what is next is Bitcoin will keep dropping. Yeah. And the reason is because, well, we have right now a 12-hour sell signal here. Let me show you here. We have a 12-hour chart sell signal right now here. Also, we have the ADX is very, very low here, as you can see here. So we have the sell signal present right now. So sideways or downside, that is the projection right now in 12-hour chart. And also this week, we are going to see the sell signal. This is a bull trap, honestly, for me. There's a bull trap. All of this process, also all of these areas are bull trap, and you will see this week potentially a sell signal in 1-day chart here. And the volatility is not contracting here. So maybe other test to maybe $16,300 or maybe $15,700, maybe around there. And also we have here a rejection. Well, usually when you see the first test in OBB is rejection, okay? So careful here. If you are bullish here right now for Bitcoin because you are thinking here to the moon bull flag, right? Because it's a bull flag. No, I don't think so. So careful here because look like this is just a bull trap. Mhm. So now let's talk about the stock market a little bit. Sorry, my cat is a little bit annoying right now. Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, one day I'm gonna share the camera with my cat. Oh, wait. Sorry for that. My cat, you know. Okay, so let's continue. Well, now I'm gonna talk with. Sorry, I wanna check some altcoins. In the morning, some people they were asking me in the group. So first of all, we are gonna start with Link. You have any requests? Please let me know in the comments. Okay, Link. Let me show you here the monthly because the technical analysis was weekly and monthly. So I'm gonna start with the weekly chart. Right now here for Link, technically speaking, we have a bolus of regions here as you can see here, but well, right now is sideways as you can see here, sideways. So any close below $6, I think I can say you will see around two or three. Now, if you ask me right now, is gonna keep crashing? Potentially yes. Right now in weekly chart, I think it's not a smart thinking like this asset will keep crashing. Of course not, because technically speaking, we have a buy signal right now still present. So, but if Bitcoin crash, of course, everything is gonna crash. So let me show you the monthly here for Link. For Link, using just price action, as you can see here, we have this area of support, as you can see here, this area around $7 right now here. Actually, for any close below $6, for example, you see December closing below $6, yes, potentially you will see $3 or $4. And for me, honestly, $3 or $4 is gonna be the biggest area to buy Link in the long term, of course, in the long term. Mhm. So let's continue with Solana. Solana in weekly chart because well, let's see what is doing Solana. Solana is still, for me, is still to the downside in the long term, of course. But as I said before, we are looking for. I was looking for, or I'm still looking for actually a bounce, but the time is Bitcoin is just wasting time. The bullish average potentially we have for Bitcoin is not doing very good, honestly. I am still in the spot in some altcoins, but just I manage my risk because just in case if the market crash, I will just get out of the markets. Okay, in the monthly for Solana, there is nothing to stop Solana in the long term to crash to $4. I'm still looking for this target $4 between four and two is should be the target in the monthly. The reason is because there is nothing to stop Solana. If you are thinking 14 or $10 is a support, I don't think so. I think Solana will keep crashing and maybe four around this area should be the area I will start looking for in the long term. It could happen this month, maybe yes. It depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin keeps crashing, yeah. Now the weekly chart is where everything is now is more interesting, right? Because the monthly could be for I don't know 6 months or price action, whatever. But here in for weekly chart, we have, let me see here, we have a bolus variance forming here, but the problem here, we don't have right now this local bottom here because we have to see uh, the buy signal, right? That's why I didn't buy Solana right now because of this. We will have to wait maybe 1 month, I think, to see something like that. But if we see this at top, for example, and Solana is still holding 14 or $13, the next target should be around 30, 25, 30 around there. But well, we don't have confirmation. We will have to wait more time. And also think about it. The volume is garbage in weekly chart, so be careful with that. Now, let me show you for Solana. Okay, it's a sell. This is a sell. Careful here if you are holding Solana because manage your risk here because this is a sell. Mhm. The projection was here, of course, to the upside, as you can see here, but now instead it's just sideways here. So when you see potentially the MA21 tested here, you will see a rejection and after that continuation. So overall, I am expecting Solana will keep crashing more time. I mean, more in the long term. Okay. So okay, so let's continue. Let me see if I can. Some people they were asking me in the group about some altcoins. Let me see. One moment. Uh-huh. Let me see. Okay, Ethereum. Ethereum, I guess weekly chart and monthly for me makes sense because now it's time to start looking for maybe potential long positions or in the long term. Maybe yes, but I think this bear market isn't over. So be careful with that because Um, as I said, we have a bullish variance for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin instead of pumping is just wasting time. We have, well, for Ethereum, we don't have actually bullish variance. We don't have anything for Ethereum, as you can see here. So Ethereum is just wasting time here. This could be easily a very fake signal. Careful here because Ethereum is about to test again the MI55 here. And if we see a rejection, you will see continuation. So, but for Ethereum in the long term, I mean, weekly chart is very easy. Any close below 1000, you will see around 500, 600. So around there, around this area, should be the area. Mhm. And if we see the monthly, I didn't see the monthly close for Ethereum. Ethereum is continuation, I think. Yeah, let me see. Let me see here. Yeah, yeah. This is any close in December. And you see any close like this in December, better below 1000. Well, actually, it's gonna be even worse. I think the target should be uh, $300 actually in the monthly. I mean, we are talking about the next 6 months, right? 2023. Remember, we have right now. Well, Bitcoin has just 2 weeks more. 2 weeks more, right? Let me see. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. If we don't see Bitcoin about 25K in 3 weeks, get ready because 2023, if we see a bounce, of course we will see the bounce is gonna be a major opportunity to sell. Yeah, and I am still looking for. If you're following on Twitter, for example, I am posting very often there. Like, well, I know my technical analysis is not very popular, right? But I wouldn't be surprised if we see the close below 25K, 30K Bitcoin. We will see 10K, but maybe we will not see 100K in many years. I think. I think Bitcoin will, in some point, it could hit maybe around 4K even lower. Mm. So, but I'm talking about years, okay? I know you're halving, right? You're hoping the halving will be the thing, right, as usual. But I think it's gonna be different this time. We need to see the close. Okay, so as you can see here, Ethereum is doing very bad. Yeah. If you want to see validation, you have to see same as Bitcoin. Ethereum closing about 2000, no, 1800. Any close about here, this area, is going to be the validation. Yeah. Any close below 1300 in the monthly, for example, you see December, closing below here or even below 1000 better. January, February, March, and I think you will see more downside, and we will see even 300 is in the cards for Ethereum. Now, let me continue with Cardano. As request, as I said, Cardano is garbage and it's going to be garbage forever and ever. I'm kidding. At least other year, I think my target is still the same. It's still the same. I said it 1 year ago, and I'm still saying the same thing. I am looking for Cardano point 15, point 20, first target, and the second target should be point 0.08. This is just a major pump and dump scam. Mhm. So let's continue. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Gold 4 hour chart. Okay, I'm gonna talk about the stocks. Okay, let me show you the gold. What is gold? Gold. Okay, in 4 hour chart. Okay, let me see. 4 hour chart for gold. No. Well, in 4 hour chart, this should be is to the upside. Mhm. Of course, in 4 hour chart. Okay, this could be very easy invalidated if we see if we have a sell signal in 1 day chart. Okay, don't get me wrong. Okay, let me see here. Um, no. It's to the upside. We have a better variance potentially, yes, but maybe a little half, maybe a 1,800. But I will not enter in long here right now. I mean, this is not the moment to enter in long, at least in 1 day chart. If you're going to enter in long 4 hour chart, be careful, manage your risk because this is not the place to enter in long. Actually, for me, I will start looking for this bounce, maybe 1,850 around there. I will start looking for shorts because we have a better variance forming here. You will see something like this, something like this. Okay, so something like this, and around this area is where I will start looking for shorts. Okay, let me see more. Okay, What is that? Euro. I don't know what is that. Let me see. Yeah. It's this one. Okay. Okay. Let me see. It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna see this currency. Let me see the time frames you're asking. 4 hour chart and daily. Okay. Perfect. Okay. 4 hour. What happened? What do you want? I'm busy. Wait. Sorry, my cat. No. My cat. Okay. So 4 hour, okay, it's a sell. Of course, the trend is your friend. Okay, so just the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Okay, you will have maybe the next 12 hours a sell signal potentially yes, but as again, if one day chart is a buy signal, careful here. Okay, because this could be an invalidation very easy. We have bullish variance here. I think it's not very smart to enter in short right now here. Technically speaking, actually, this area in 1 day chart, let me see. Yeah, this area. Yeah, okay. No, 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 no. You see a drop in 4 hour chart, that is gonna be a buy. Okay. So using the short term, you see a drop in 4 hour chart. It's not for shorts, it's for longs. Okay. And the target should be the MI 55. Okay. As long as this currency is holding 1.65, I am looking for longs. I mean, a bounce to keep falling, right? To keep falling. Okay. But no shorts, no short. It's only longs, at least for me. Okay. So let me see. What is that? Okay, let me see. My connection is garbage. I cannot blow videos because my connection is not good. It's not okay. What is this? Okay, okay. This is a cell. Uh-huh. Just it's a cell, of course. Even without watching the indicators, this is a cell. Testing the major resistance right now here. All this area resistance here. No, thank you. It's not with me. No, thank you. If you see other bounds here, all this area is a cell. Okay. The major resistance A. Sorry again. My cat is getting crazy. Okay. So as you can see here, this area is for shorts. Okay. No longs. Okay. Because you have a major area of resistance around this area. Okay. So careful here. So now I am pretty sure maybe we will have better divergence. Yes, of course. Well, maybe not better divergence. No, not yet. So maybe I'll leg up, and after that, maybe yes, I will start looking for shorts. Let me see the weekly chart here because I am curious about this. Um. Oh wow. Okay. Good. Okay. Let me see. Mm-hmm. Bullish variance. You see, watch this chart. Is something when we have bullish variance. You see, in this case, we have 1, 2, 3 strikes of bullish variance, as you can see here, and also 1, 2, 3 strikes of bullish variance in OBB and curve. This is a very good example where healthy price action, you see the bounce. You see, this is something I was expecting. I'm still expecting with less probabilities every day for Bitcoin because we have similar setup. You see, we have bullish variance in OBB, bullish variance in curve. Well, the target should be the 55. Right now, here to the moon? No, of course not. This is here maximum this target, and after that you will see a major correction testing the MI55. If the MI55 breaks, you will see again 2,500. Okay, so careful, careful. Okay, so let me see. Let me continue. I'm gonna continue again with the USD dominance in weekly chart. We have a new close here. We have better variance confirmation, yes, but my God, this thing is very strong. It's still very strong, and I think it's because the monthly is very bullish actually. It's still bullish. We will see a major pullback maybe 2023. I think maybe this one we will see other leg up, and potentially this is gonna be the last leg up. My only one concern is like if this close in December, this one, the heel is higher than the previous one, we will see invalidation, and we'll not see a major reversal. It's just gonna be a pullback, and of course, it's gonna be very bad for Bitcoin. Mhm. I am curious about this. Let me see. 6 month chart. My God, bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay, so one day for USD dominance is a buy. This a buy is like this. Okay, you will see the buy signal very soon, and also you will see the sell signal for Bitcoin maybe in a couple days. And this is maybe other test to maybe 9 and potentially new ATA, and potentially this leg up is gonna be the last one of the year. Mhm. So careful, guys. Seriously, very be careful. Okay. Maybe you don't care about this, but I invite you to see my Twitter, because I am because my connection is not good right now on internet. I want to keep updated the community using Twitter, Discord. Yeah. So I am very, very worried about this because Bitcoin, in my humble opinion, is potentially there is a very, very high probability will reverse the trend after 12 years. So my concern here is like for example, here the dollar here, uh, just in 1 week, in two, let me see, in 1 month, dropped all the thing, all. Okay, let me be more clear. I was expecting this drop here. We will see that drop in the Q1 2023, not just in 1 month. And here, my friend, this is bullish. This is bullish. Yeah. And that is the problem. This is like this. I know you don't see it right now, but this is like this. Okay. Why? Because the S&P 55 here usually is what is a bullish thing in a very, very healthy uptrend. So you are thinking, oh yeah, the dollar is over, right? Dollar is just paper and is going to zero. Of course not. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. This is a big buy opportunity for the dollar in weekly basis, and we should see other bounce potentially testing the previous high at least. Mhm. So that eventually we will see a better surprise, potentially new ATA 120 around there in 2020, 2023 maybe around there. And the monthly, we have the monthly, yes. You said, oh yeah, is bearish, maybe yes. But I said before, my concern is like actually the dollar just in 1 month dropped so hard. So potentially this could be the local bottom actually. Yeah. Uh, let me see. We have a sell signal ADX negative here, so we could expect maybe a major range from 110, sorry, 104, 103 to 113, 15, or even a little bit higher. So something like this. Okay. The worst scenario, more new ATA. Okay. So careful here because this price action is something I was expecting in the Q1, not just in 1 month of price action. That is very concerning for me because this is bullish. If we follow weekly chart, this is bullish. This is bullish. I cannot be very actually for me, there is a very good buy opportunity for dollar. Okay. So careful, careful, careful here because this bear market is not over. And as I said before, 3 weeks left. And I am not happy with this technical analysis, my friend, because I posted this technical analysis in 2021. And seriously, I am not happy to say this because one thing is what I want, other thing the facts, right? What I want to see Bitcoin at $1 million. Seriously, I want to see it. But the facts are people lie, the charts they don't lie, the charts don't lie. Okay, so this is very concerning. If I show you, watch this chart in the 12 month, I mean the yearly, we are gonna have the first candle reversal here for Bitcoin in the history. So technically speaking, in the next 2 3 years, potentially we could see $7,000, even 4,000. Okay. I am not saying Bitcoin is going to do something like that. Honestly, I am expecting just for 10K maximum. But based on this price action, I wouldn't be surprised if we see even lower prices. Now, there is one thing I want to show you here in the monthly for Bitcoin, like it's very concerning for me. And actually, I posted this in my private channels where the count for this, I actually did it last year. Just I want to repeat this. Yes. something interesting, right? Let me show you here. We have alien wave theory, so where in an uptrend we have around 5 waves. So this could be like something like this, right? Let me show you. Um, okay, good. So something like this, right? This is a way number one, two, three, four, and potentially this could be the wave five. And if I am right, this is my account of 1 year ago. This is not new. I mean, in that time, I didn't have this part. Now we have it. So if this is a monthly correction, this should be like this: A, B, yeah, and C, where the C is the most destructive one. So the question I have for you is, if Bitcoin in weekly chart drop 85, 86% in average in 2015, 2018, tell me, what do you think? What could happen to Bitcoin if we see monthly correction? Monthly correction, that means it's going to be the first bear market for Bitcoin, the first real bear market for Bitcoin in the monthly chart, because weekly chart was just only a correction. So I have a question that I have this question for you, because if you're thinking Bitcoin will go up forever and ever, I think you are very innocent. Just I'm showing the fact you can do it. Open your trading view and you can do it just by yourself. We have major signals right now here, especially with, I mean, classic indicators. I don't want to use anything I don't want to use something fancy like my system or something. No, we can use something like normal people they use, like for example the RSI here. We can use ADX, we can use whatever you want. And let me show you this: the monthly. With the monthly, what happened? Officially, Bitcoin closed in November, breaking the lows of June. So usually you will see what? Well, you will see TD. I will start looking for TD, this area, in the long term. So that means new lows for Bitcoin. Mhm. I will start looking for this condition. So careful here, because we have monthly and also bi-monthly here below the 50 level. Remember, 50 level is the target. You see, it's very bad. Watch this. Yeah, breaking the bi-monthly. This was the support at 50 level, and now technically speaking, in bi-monthly we are in bear market, and not just only this time frame. In 3 month chart, Bitcoin broke the 50 level as well and closed. So if we see, this is not the confirmation. If January 1st, 2023, you see Bitcoin at, I don't know, this level, and also 14K, 10K, whatever, and closing below 50 level, I am talking about a minimum 2 years of bear market, minimum. Okay, we will see a major bounce, but as I said before, that bounce is gonna be a sell. So that's why I want you to be ready, because if someone is telling you, yeah, my shitcoin is the hidden gem, right? Be careful with your picks. Okay. So if I am right with this, you can watch my video. I posted, I think, in October 1st, what I'm expecting for Bitcoin, and looks like it's gonna happen. Mhm. If I arrive with this, honestly, I want to be wrong. But if I arrive with this, we could see something like this in the monthly, right? Monthly. So this could be the way number A, yeah. And we will see a bull market, way number B, when you will see all your influencers saying the bottom was in, Bitcoin will go to 1 million, 2 million, millionaires, all of us, right? And after that, way C, okay? Where technically speaking, if we see a monthly correction, the target should be something you will not believe me. You will not believe. Say, no, this guy is crazy. It should be around 1,500 or 1,000. Okay. So careful here, my friend. Careful here, because we are not in an altcoin season, and we are not in a bull market, and will not be in this like 2020, 2021. At least maybe 2023. I don't think so. Maybe 2024. Maybe yes. One thing here, I want to show you the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is something very important for me, because when you see Bitcoin testing the resistance is when we have the alt season. When you see Bitcoin in the lows is when we have Bitcoin season. Okay, so technically speaking, here is when you want to buy altcoins. Yeah, here, and here is when you want to sell altcoins. So let me change the color here in red. Okay, So when you see Bitcoin dominance here is Bitcoin season, and when you see Bitcoin dominance in green in the top is when you see altcoin season. Okay, so why is like this? It's very simple because every time when Bitcoin is dropping here, is dropping here, yeah, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. That means people they are buying altcoins, and that's why you have your 20x, your 50x, your 100x, and to the moon, right? Whatever. When altcoins are crashing, Bitcoin dominance is increasing, okay? Because people are cashing out. Now you can see here we have 60, 70, 80% correction for many altcoins, but Bitcoin dominance is not moving. And that is my concern because it's the first time we have this pattern right now. So my only concern is like if we see, if we, I mean, this is still true because we could, this could be different, but we follow the same rules. In the moment when we see this rising up, my question is, well, maybe you will see Ethereum at 200, 300, who knows? And the thing here is like only just the top 10 altcoins. If Bitcoin is an uptrend, only top 10, top 20 maybe will follow Bitcoin. Mhm. So that's why you have to be very, 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 very picky. You have to be very careful with your altcoins, okay? Yeah, because nowadays doesn't matter. We don't need any skills, especially skills to create a new token, right? Yeah, I'm gonna create my token, Leonidas crypto token. Buy, 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 all in. Okay. So I'm warning you right now because 3 months, 3 weeks left. Okay, 3 weeks left, and I remember as usual. I want to be very realistic with you, and I want to just share my experience in the markets. Remember, I am not financial advisor. Just I'm sharing my experience here, but I want you to be like, how can I say this? Avoid emotions. Try to think like, about the facts. Remove the emotions and think. Watch the chart and said, okay, to the moon. For example, it's very funny because I am using Minex, and suddenly I got a notification today. Act Infinite 20% up in 10 minutes. Think about this. Why your exchange is sending you notifications like that? Because they hope you are very sorry for saying this, very stupid, and open the exchange, open Axe Infinite, and buy all in because it's green, it's powerful to the moon, right? Let me show you what is this. Okay, Axe Infinite, okay, to the moon, right? What is this? It's garbage, right? So, okay, to the moon, all in, right? No, my friend. Careful here because if you are buying these kind of things just because you get notifications because you're pump and down groups, is the moment you have to be very, very careful. Okay, because we are not in a bull market and the bottom is not in. Okay, so here you see Axe Infinite at 15, 15, $13. Run away. Careful here because this is the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend, and the trend is like that. Okay. My target hit after 1 year. Yes, it was $4. Perfect. Fair enough. Very good. But that doesn't mean like this could be crashing more. Sorry, that doesn't mean like this the bottom is in. Of course not. I think like many altcoins, this asset is gonna just sideways and sideways in accumulation phase for many months. Same like similar as the Miller token, for example, like it's dead for almost more than 1 year, I think. Something like that. Mhm. Okay, so let me continue. Let me see if I have some more requests. What is that? Okay, I don't know what is that. Let me try. Okay, my friend, you're asking me currencies I never saw before in my life. And what? Sorry if I am slow because I have to change my screen because this time I am using my laptop. Well, I think I explained many times, right? It's because I cannot use my connection is not good right now. Mm, Okay, okay, good. Nope. No, let me see. Let me check. Ah, sorry. I saw my mistake. And okay, good. Okay, let me see. Okay, first of all, weekly chart is a sell. Okay, so if we weekly chart is a sell, one day chart what? Shorts, right? So no, thank you. It's not with me there. That's it. Okay. In 4 hour chart, I will start looking for short, not for longs. Okay. Careful here because up to the moon, right? Is green is powerful? No, no more. This is a sell. Of course, it depends on the volatility of your asset, but this is gonna be like this. I am not saying new lows. No, of course not. But it's here. No, thank you. It's not with me. No, no thanks. Okay. Careful there. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna talk about the Japanese yen, the yen, because well, right? I am in Japan, so I wanna see Japan. I wanna see the Japanese the yen because I wanna see what I have to do for 2023. Mhm. Okay, let me see. Okay, first of all, let me see the SP 500. SP 500 is still a sell. I am still thinking the same. Yeah, this is a sell. Yeah, it's just a bounce to keep falling, and it's gonna be like that. Let me tell you something. 3 weeks left, right? We have 3 weeks left, and I said before, any close below 3,700, I am expecting in the 2023 you will see 3,000 or even lower prices for the SP 500. So let me see here. What is this one? Um, okay, I lost. Okay, where is? I don't know where. Mm. Okay, good. Here. Okay, so what is this? Weekly chart is still maybe 130 is my it should be the target. But let me show you this. Maybe in February, March, we are gonna see a buy signal again for the USD yen. So that means in 2023, I'm expecting we will see it again 145, 144 around there, this area. So bad news because the trend is my friend, something like this, right? Pull back here, and after that, to the money you want. Okay. So let me see the monthly here, the monthly for this currency. This currency, let me see, it's a breakout. Yeah, we are gonna see a sell signal here. Maybe we will see a correction, yes, but 126, 130, and after that, other leg up. So in general, it's not good. If I see the macro, right, for example, 6 months, 6 month chart, well, it depends, right? If this year we see the Japanese yen closing about 140, it's bullish. Any close below 130 in the next 3 weeks could be reversal, yes, but we have to wait. At least we have to wait other 3 weeks. Okay, so okay, let me see. Okay, Simon. See, okay, let me see. I don't know what is that. Let me see. 1 week and 1 month. Okay. Sayona mining, I think. Okay, my first time. I don't know. Let me see. To the moon, right? Let me see. Okay, monthly. Without watching the indicators, I can tell you it's looking a little bit toppy. I will be very careful here. I am pretty sure we have a sell signal right now. Yeah, yes, we have a sell signal right now here for this asset. It's not very good. I mean, people with people they are selling. OBB is below zero line here in the highs. Very bullish, of course not, my friend. This is a sell. Okay. Market makers they are selling this asset, and you will see potential correction maybe next year. Okay. Maybe the MFT5 should be a target around zero point 0.10 cents. If this area breaks, you will see a 0.04. Mhm. Remember, everything what I said here, I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't follow my technical analysis. You shouldn't follow technical analysis from YouTubers and this kind of things, okay? Just I am sharing what I see in markets, okay? That's it. So we have a wonderful, beautiful, very sharp variance here for this. You see, from this point, and this point here, and this point, and this point. No, let me see. No, 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 no. No. Sorry. Let me see. It's double top. Yeah, technically yes. Very sharp variance in OBB. Weekly chart. Let me see. Um, Technically speaking, I cannot be bearish in weekly chart. Potentially, we will see other leg up, but that leg up is gonna be a sell. Maybe other test 2.25, 28 around there. No more than that. And after that, you will see continuation, the monthly. The monthly. Yeah, someone asked me about XRP. Big fans of XRP right to the moon. No, 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 no. Let me see the monthly for this asset, this currency, XRP. Okay, it's very easy. Any close below 0.30 cents, you will see XRP above 0.21. Now, one thing here is happening. No, no, nothing. Nothing. We will have to wait more, maybe other 3 4 months. But it is very simple. Any close below the MA 100, as you can see here, the MA 100, 1.32 cents, you will see 0.20 and maybe potentially new lows, eventually new lows. Any close, I mean, if you see XRP below 20 cents and better closing below there, you will see new lows. And when I say new lows, it's like almost zero. Okay. So I will be very careful with all the people say, oh yeah, to the moon, XRP, right? Careful. Especially right now, I think we are in this phase of crypto. I think we have to be very, very, very careful right now because as I said before, if I am right with my technical analysis in the micro time frames, 2023 is not gonna be fun. It's not going to be fun. Okay. We will make some profits, of course, yes. Mhm. But overall, bull market like 2020, I think other 2 years. I think so. Okay, guys, I think that's it. That's it for today. Okay. I'm sorry again. I apologize again on my connection. Yeah, it's not the best, but well, I will try to be more active on Twitter and also my Discord and also here, right, every day. Mhm. So thank you for watching.